When 4,000 Pfizer vaccines arrived in South Australia last Sunday, the state's health minister set a bold target.
We expect to use the full 4,000 doses in this coming week.
By the end of the work week, SA Health reported only 1,053 had been administered. Now, health authorities say going slowly was a safer approach.
I think it's important to be naturally cautious in the early days, make sure we get the protocols right.
The Victorian government received 12,000 doses in its first week, but reported only using 2,902 of those so far.
Stay on that track though. You need to get the extra 10,000 jabs rolled out by Sunday?
No. We're doing this in a very steady, safe way, and that means it can't be quick.
New South Wales has administered over 7,500 doses. Queensland exceeded its modest target of 1,000 doses in week 1, still planning to vaccinate 27,000 quarantine and border workers within the first month. The NT had to briefly pause their vaccine rollout after a shipment of vials failed to arrive. And in Tasmania,
we had staff come down to use the very last vial of vaccine that we had.
WA Health says so far 1,654 people have got the jab. Their target is 400 a day. After a cautious start, many states are planning significant ramp-ups in the days ahead, with weekend jabs to bolster the stats. Meanwhile, the federal government is being forced to defend its vaccination program in the face of delays and cancellations at aged care homes.
The amount of kilometres travelled by trucks and planes to get the vaccines out this week was further than from here to the moon.
The Morrison government says its vaccination rollout will be on track by next week. Joel Philp, Sky News, Adelaide.